This is a beautiful tree, a wonderful tree. Such a lovely tree. There you are, tree. Ah. See you from a different angle. Let's get there. Wonderful. Nature is having a field day. Since us humans have stopped tramping around, there's a lot of wildlife about. A lot of wildlife. Foxes have taken advantage of many things in the area, and they're not a pest. They, like you and me, have got a family to feed, and they're part of that chain, that ecosystem. If it's allowed to work properly the way that it's supposed to, everything will function better. Survival. Ray Mears, a man that knows how to rub two pieces of wood together and make fire. That's a basic thing, a key thing for survival. Fire, especially in this climate. If as people, human beings, we'd have been a bit more prepared with our own allotments, our own vegetable patches, a bit more keen and savvy, things might have been a bit better. But since the end of the war, we tended to have gradually, with each generation after World War II, tended to lose that. But now we need to regain it. We need to regain our self-sufficiency. It's not being selfish, it's not being wrong, it's being wise because of the way things are in the world. One pandemic can plunge a nation into destruction through panic, fear, and all the arguments and all the squabbles currently, political squabbles, political positioning, and people weaponising the pandemic for their own political gains. That is wrong. Definitely wrong. This. Don't lose your wonder of nature. Don't lose the awe and wonder of life death itself. You know, for a tiny speck of dust in a massive, massive galaxy that the mind boggles the size of our galaxy, which itself is in a piece of apparent emptiness, space, surrounded by countless numbers of massive, massive, massive galaxies, each full of countless numbers of stars. And on those stars, around those stars, countless numbers of planets. We, on our little planet, amidst all that, are, well, not even a speck that you could actually see from one of those galaxies. Not unless you've got some real super high whiz piece of technology. What have we got? What have we got to do today? What's your plans? I don't know. I've got to go down the supermarket, pick up a few things, but I might leave that until tomorrow. I've no need to go down the road today, I don't think. Are you still playing the lottery? Do you play the lottery? Living in hope? Do you watch sport on TV? Not much of that at the moment. I get a bit fed up with same old stuff. We've come to this now, look. We've come to this. Let me just zoom in now. Here we are. Here we are. There it is. The Electrical Distribution Centre. Coggleshall Hamlets substation.